Welcome back to our channel, where we provide helpful tips and tricks for Windows 10 users. In today's video, we'll show you how to create a shortcut for Event Viewer on your Windows 10 desktop. Let's get started. Step 1. Go to your Windows 10 desktop. Step 2. Right-click on any empty area of your desktop. From the pop-up list, select New, and then choose Shortcut. Step 3. The Create Shortcut wizard will launch. In the location box, type the following command: C. Windows System 3D's eventvwr.msc. Once done, click Next. Step 4. At this point, you will see a shortcut named eventvwr in the name box. If you prefer, you can rename it as Event Viewer to make it more descriptive. Once you've renamed it, click Finish to create the Event Viewer shortcut on your Windows 10 desktop. And there you have it. You have successfully created a shortcut for Event Viewer on your Windows 10 desktop. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more Windows 10 tutorials and tips. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.